Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So if you accidentally posted an instant on Instagram and you want to remove it, this video will show you how to undo and delete Instagram instants. So instants are posted immediately after you tap on the shutter button. If you tapped it by accident or you changed your mind about posting, you can tap the undo button that appears right after you post. This button is only available for a few seconds, so act fast to undo your post before anyone sees it. If the undo button is no longer visible, you can still delete your instant to prevent others from seeing it. Go ahead and tap on the album icon in the top right corner to view all of your past instants. If you do not see that icon, you can tap on their profile picture icon from the bottom right corner and then tap on the three lines in the top right. From here, you'll get this section of how you use Instagram and you'll see the option of archive that is between saved and your activity. Go ahead and select it. Now, from the top of the screen, make sure that you select the instance archive. It will show you all the instants that you have taken on Instagram of today, yesterday, and for the dates that you have posted your instance. So if you want to delete the specific instant you have posted, tap on the three dots in the top right corner, then tap on delete instant and it will be done. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.